In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regenerate secret key in 1password. Before we begin, a quick note on what this means. Your secret key is a unique code that, together with your master password, protects your 1password account. Regenerating it is useful if you believe it's been exposed or you want to tighten security, but it will sign you out of your devices and require you to sign in again, so plan a moment when you have access to everything you need. Start by opening your browser and searching for 1password. Click the official website and make sure the address looks correct to avoid phishing pages. If you're already signed in, you're set. If not, log in with your account. Use your usual sign-in details and your master password. As always, don't share your password or secret key with anyone, and avoid doing this on a public or shared computer. Once you're signed in, look to the top corner of the page for your profile. This is typically your name or an avatar. Click it to open your account menu. From there, choose Manage Account. This takes you into your account settings where all your security controls live. Inside your account settings, locate the option to regenerate secret key. Depending on your account type, it may appear under security or a similar section. Selecting this option will create a brand new secret key and invalidate the old one. Remember, this is a sensitive action. It will sign you out of your devices and any apps where you're currently authenticated, so it's normal if you're prompted to confirm a few times. When prompted, enter your password. This step confirms that it's really you making the change. After verifying, go ahead and click the button to regenerate the secret key. If you see a confirmation dialog, read it carefully and proceed. After regeneration, expect to be signed out on other devices. You'll use the new secret key along with your master password the next time you sign in. 1password will provide your updated details. Keep them secure. It's a good idea to store them in a safe place and avoid saving them in plain text. When you next open the 1password app or browser extension on your devices, sign in with the new secret key and you'll be back up and running. That's it. You searched for 1password, logged in, opened your profile, went to Manage Account, chose Regenerate Secret Key, confirmed with your password, and completed the regeneration. Take a moment to secure your new details, and you're all set.